Good morning. This is Penny at the calf. I miss you guys so much. So we're going to make a few omelets for you today. We're going to make a ham and cheese one with vegetables, and then we're going to make a veggie omelet. I miss you guys so much. I hope everybody is doing well. So this side we're going to make a ham and cheese omelet with some vegetables. And then this one here, we will do a veggie scramble. I hope everybody is taking care here. Oops, we had an oopsie there, but we can make it. So you don't have to get real fancy when we make our little omelets, guys. And then our scramble, we'll just get the eggs ready like we normally do when you're here. So the veggie one, we'll get some veggies in here. We'll put a little bit of feta cheese in there and some peppers and some onions and tomatoes. Got to turn these babies up a little bit. And then we're going to put a little bit of cheese in here. Then we'll start the ham. And always put it on one side, guys. And that way it'll make it a little easier for you. And I'll show you an easy way how to flip it, like we always do when you're here in the calf. Then maybe you can try this at home. I think we'll put a little bit of vegan chorizo in that one. So I hope everybody's classes are going well this week. I know it's hard on you, and I sure miss you, and I miss everybody on campus. I hope all your families are doing well. So we'll give this a quick little stir as it's cooking. This is the scrambled one, made easy. I bet the professors are really lost without you. Oh, this is doing great. There we go. I'm gonna flip this back. Okay, when you make an omelet, always, I use a rubber spatula, and always hit for the center and kind of slide it in over there like that and flip it over. Then that way you don't break it. But always make sure that the egg is set. See how it's all partially cooked? Okay, now look at here, they're almost done here. So I always flip this over, remember? And then I top it with cheese for you. You know, I miss you students coming in, and I'm missing seeing how your day is going. It's been kind of hard on me. When I wake up in the morning and I make my eggs, I think of all of you. So, but this will pass soon, and we will all be together again. We'll make up time. And just remember, MC here, Monmouth College, we are your family. We're all like family. It doesn't matter how old you are or what year you graduate. This is always your second home. Your home away from home. This is your forever home. Because the education that you got here and the family that you made, that will be your friends forever. Just remember, we love you all, and I hope to see you in the calf soon. So take care of yourself and try and make an omelet.